I'm not drunk. You're drunk. So go and subscribe to my YouTube channel because I want to bring more to you, and I got something waiting for ya. Hey love, this is MUA Shay. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm going to be doing this get ready with me. So if you stay tuned, then you will see how I do this look. Ash brown pomade all over the shape of my brow. After we filled in the shape, then we can start with our concealer. I use this lovely Kat Von D L9 Neutral. This is what it looks like. Go ahead and use our blending brush and blend away from the eyebrow. And use that same concealer. So when I set my eyelids, I use this Kat Von D Lock-It powder. All of my products that I use are products that you can buy from Sephora. The eyeshadow I'm going to be using for the yellow is a pigment from Makeup Forever. I got this from Sephora and it is part of the Makeup Artist pigments. I'm going to loosely apply this all over my crease. Let's go on this lovely Huda palette and use Blazing, which is this orange right here, with a smaller blending brush. Work your way towards the beginning of your eye. Next, we can use Mulberry and start packing it at the ends for even a darker look. Just go in little zigzags. Circles, but zigzags. And work your way towards the front just a little bit, just enough to make a little line. And then that right there, you're gonna blend out anyways. As we're blending out with even a smaller blending brush, we can blend this out. Now I'm reaching in my Huda Beauty palette, getting Oud. Out of the Anastasia Beverly Hills, we're going to use Soft Glam. We're going to be using Glistening. I use eyeliner from e.l.f. You can get this from Walmart or even like the Dollar Tree of some sort. For my highlight, I'm going to be using this Urban Decay Naked Illuminating. For my foundation, I use this light neutral 45. For my foundation, I use this light neutral 45 by Kat Von D. Oh wow, took up a lot of it. I'm just gonna apply this on my face. So I feel like my brush was taking up more of the product than my face was. For my mascara, you're just gonna have to watch my other videos. That same concealer that I used on my eyelids, I'm going to put it under my eye. So this foundation I picked out really fast. Probably is the wrong shade, but what we can do is we can make it into a right by going and working what we have. I learned over the years as a makeup artist that you have to use what you have and make it work. There's so many different tones and so many different types of tricks that you can do with different products to create the same shade or the same outcome. These two out the Becca Light palette to go and give me more bronzy look. Then I'm going to use the darkest shade to build my contour. For the blush, we can use this also at the Becca Highlight palette. Alright loves, this is my overall look. Make sure you go and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Tell me what you think, and also look at more of my videos. I have videos on makeup, customizing shoes, also canvas painting, and other things of that nature.